हाय स्टूडेंट्स, આપણે ગૂગલ મીટ ભેગું નથી થતું એટલે આપણે આ લઈએ. ચલો, ફિમેલ રિપ્રોડક્ટિવ ઓર્ગન કાર્પેલ. Carpel contain three parts: stigma for the attachment of pollen grain, style that provides passage for the development of pollen tube, and ovary. Ovary means broad last portion of carpel. Ovary contain ovules. So in angiosperm there is a double fertilization. So one male gamete fertilize this ovule. Ready? So seed and fruit both are produced in angiosperm. So this is ovule. Ovule convert into seed. So number of ovule means number of seed. If one ovule is there, then only one seed, like mango, wheat, rice. If number of ovules are higher, then seeds are also higher, like papaya, watermelon. So first of all, this portion is called placenta. In placenta, ovules are arranged at many ways, as you already studied: free placental, basal, marginal, free central. Ready? So ovule attach with ovary by one stalk. હવે આપણે આને અહીંયા ઝૂમ કરીને બતાવું. Stalk through which ovules attach to ovary. This stalk is called funicle. Is called funicle. This is funicle, and this is our ovule. So junction where ovule and this funicle joins, this portion called hilum. Ovule is covered by three layered, and these layers are called integuments. So these are integuments. Ready? Protective layers, integuments. At base, these layers are absent. Why? So pollen tube can enter into the ovule, and this gap, this passage is called micropyle region. Which portion? Micropyle. Opposite to micropyle, this portion is micropyle. Opposite to this portion is called chalaza. This region is called chalazal portion, and this center portion is highly food storage portion, and this called nucellus. Is called nucellus. In nucellus, one embryo sac is present. This is embryo sac. Now we will study how mother cell produces their gametes. Ready? In embryo sac, one diploid cell is present. One diploid cell is present. This diploid cell undergoes mitotic division and produce another diploid cells. This diploid cell called megaspore mother cell. Why it's called megaspore? Because other than pollen grain, ovule is large in structure. That's why ovule is called megaspore and pollen is called microspore. So this is megaspore mother cell. Same here beta, like pollen grain, gametes are formed with the help of meiotic division. So this mother cell undergoes meiotic division and first form 2 cells and then 4 cells. Ready? Among these 4 cells, 3 cells degenerate and 1 cell remain active. Why? Because number of female gametes are smaller than male gametes. મેલ ગેમેટ્સને ફર્ટિલાઇઝેશન કરવાનું છે, એનો વેસ્ટ થવાનું છે, એટલે એના ગેમેટ્સ વધુ હોય, આના ગેમેટ્સ કેટલા હોય બેટા? ઓછા. એટલે આ જે હાઈલી એક્ટિવ સેલ છે એનું ડિવિઝન હવે જોશું. આઉટ ઓફ ધીસ 4 cells 3 degenerate and 1 cell remain active. This 1 cell is haploid in nature. This 1 cell is haploid in nature. Now this haploid cell undergoes further mitotic division. Mitotic means equal. So this active cell undergoes first mitotic division and produce 2 cells. This 2 cells further undergoes mitotic division and produce 4 cells. This 4 cell undergoes third mitotic division and produce 8 cells. Ready? So how many mitotic divisions are here? Total 3. After 3 successive division in embryo sac, 8 cells are there which are haploid in nature. Now we will see how these haploid cells arrange into embryo sac. Ready? Chalo. This is embryo sac and this portion is micropyle region. This is chalazal region. Now from 8 cells, 2 cells remain in center. 2 cells remain in center. Ready? Central nuclei. 3 cells arrange at base portion, chalazal portion, and these 3 cells are called antipodal cells. This is called antipodal cells. 3 cells arrange at micropyle region. Among these 3 cells, one is egg cell and 2 are synergids. 2 cells are synergids, assistant of egg cell. 2 extra cells are here. This is called filiform cell that provide guidance to pollen tube. Ready? Pollen tube ने कहे कि भाई चलो तारा અહીંથી અંદર જવાનું છે. So first of all in embryo sac, one diploid cell is there that undergoes mitotic division. Jill, આમ લે ને ઓલી બાજુ. Mitotic division and produce megaspore mother cell. This megaspore mother cell undergoes meiotic division and produce 4 haploid gametes. Among these 4, 3 degenerate, 1 remain active. One this cell undergoes successive 3 mitotic division and produce 8 cells. These 8 cells arrange into ovule in different manner. 3 arrange at chalazal region, which are haploid and called antipodal. 2 remain in central, this called nucellus. 1 egg cell and 2 synergids at micropyle region. So this is arrangement of 8 cells. So as pollen stick on the stigma, this pollen grain will release 2 male gametes. 1 male gamete fertilize with this nuclei and 1 male gamete fertilize this egg cell. That's why double fertilization is here. Due to this double fertilization, seed and fruit will form, and this kind of pollination we will study in next lecture. Thank you.